Hey guys, Junior here with DNA Mustangs. Today we're going to be throwing some new parts onto the Roush. I mean, it's always great when you get new parts for the car. So this kit is from this company called DynaPerformance. I don't know if you guys all know who this company is. They make really nice overlay kits for Mustangs, Camaros, Challengers, I believe as well now. So they hit me up. They wanted me to unveil their new product for the 01 to 04 Mustangs. So we got it here laid on my windshield. As you can see, it's really nice laid out. I already moved them around a little bit, but as you can see here on my carbon fiber hood, you can't even tell where the piece is. It's really nice quality, shiny, I mean really nice. So go ahead and follow along. We're going to be throwing the whole kit on it, maybe the process, and then review on it. So we'll see how it looks. I'm really stoked on this kit. Huge shout out again to DynaPerformance for choosing me and my car to unveil this new product. Thank you guys, follow along.
As you can see, all the pieces we have here for the center console. We have the AC vent piece, the door pieces there, as well as the dash piece. And we're gonna get started by pretty much just test fitting everything in the car, how it's gonna look. We do have some rubbing alcohol we're gonna clean everything with, make sure to get that, armor all everything out of there. Make sure everything sticks really well. So they do come with a double-sided tape. You just peel it off and put it in there, so it should work pretty well. And then we're gonna, once everything's installed, we're gonna pretty much show everything and let you guys know how it looks. So let's see.
Alright guys, so we got the whole kit installed. Gotta say, if you don't have someone helping you, I would recommend taking like the bezels off and stuff like that, because it's a little difficult. So I had my uncle Alex hold like the one half of the bezel, and then we'd go slowly around the pieces. But it's a little tricky because they are really sticky. But it's all done. As you can see, he's holding the flashlight because it's a little dark in here. But I mean, it's subtle, but it looks nice. Subtle little change in here. Really glossy effect. And then let me know what you guys think. This piece, we just kind of put it in there because I mean it gets stuck. I have the reverse glow knobs. Should I glue that piece in there or should I take it off? What do you guys think? I think it's kind of cool because it's reverse glow, but also it's carbon fiber, so it'll be a little different. But I'm not too sold on that yet. And then another thing we did, this bottom piece right here. I don't know if you guys saw in the kit, it actually goes down and then it goes down and it goes around the cigarette lighter. I have the Roush plaque, so what we did is we just cut it straight across, made it work. Other than that, everything fit perfect, looks good, very happy. I'm going to include the link below for DynaPerformance. Like I said, this kit isn't released quite yet. I don't know. I'm not too sure when they're gonna release it, but stay tuned on their Instagram. Go ahead and give them a follow, and let me know what you guys think below. I am wanting to add more carbon fiber pieces to this car. I don't know what else as of now. I do have more plans for the interior. Really don't know what I'm gonna do with the back seats. I was thinking maybe recently delete, but I might get a real upholster to match the front seats, and then I have some plans for the seat belts as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop a like, comment what you guys think, and then link in this in the description as well for DynaPerformance. Thank you.